Guess what? I got my boxycharm premium, and welcome everyone. Welcome. I hope everyone's doing well so far today. Today is Friday. So I'm gonna try to bust out some videos if I can today. So this is our Boxy Premium. It is $39.99 a month. You get 6 to 7 items. I'm sorry, you guys, my neighbor. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. I'm excited. Let's get rid of this paper here. Here is the card. It is Game Changer. Celebrating Game Changers and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History Month. I'm excited. Alright, so let's see. Let's start with this. This is the Grace and Stella. Everything is better in pink eye masks. Cool. Collagen boosting booster collagen. Ooh, that's cool. I'm excited to give this a try. Like I said, after this video, I will be doing like a whole try on. I'm hoping that I can be able to try on a lot of these products, even if it's skincare. So this values for, what is it? $24. How many? 12 pairs. That's cool. Vegan, paraben free, sulfate free, and it looks like it's been animal tested. I saw the expiration date. 2024. That's cool. I'm excited. Alright, let's check this out. Oh my god, I'm so excited! This is the One Size Translucent Ultimate Setting Powder. Oh, you know, I actually have this on my, what is it called? My Sephora checkout thing, but I haven't like checked out on it, and I'm glad that I didn't. I wanted this so bad. I've wanted to try this. I'm so excited that I get to try it now. Oh, that's so exciting. I'll be able to try it out. Oh, okay, so One Size setting powder is $30. Cool, I'm excited. We're doing Ciate Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Ooh, $32. I'm excited to give this a try too. No smell. No smell. It's okay. It does have like a little... Ooh, man. That is gonna be... So $32 for this. That's awesome. What is this? Oh, are these the exfoliating pad thingies? Some Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. Oh, that's cool. Oof. Oof. So that's what it looks like inside. I'm excited to give this a try, and holy crap! $65 for this? Man, that's gonna be gone in less than a month. 50 treatments. Okay, more than a month. Half of a month. A month and a half. Alright. Arthur Beauty Big Bang. What is this? Is this a liner or is this a mascara? Oh, it's a mascara. Okay, cool. So this value is for $28. Holy cow, look at that wand. You see that? Wow. It's a very sleek packaging. I'm excited to give that a try too. And then last but not least, oh no. I don't know if I don't recall getting this shade. Oh no. 10 neutral. I did not pick this shade out. Look at it, you guys. Oh my god. How? Boxycharm. Oh no. Oh no. They sent an email and I was really hoping. Oh. Kind of disappointed. What am I gonna do with this foundation? I mean, I already pumped it. Oh no. Oh jeez. What are we gonna do? How did they even, how? Maybe, hold on. I have a Charlotte Tilbury because I actually got this from Influencer. Maybe this will work. No, it's still like way too warm. I'll just use the Charlotte Tilbury that I got through Influencer. Influencer is an app that you can sign up on and you could potentially get new items. I cannot believe. I mean, this is shade 6. I picked out shade 5. You guys see the difference? Oh gosh. I cannot believe that. This technically is a little bit darker still, but I'm gonna use it anyway. Well, you guys, the Charlotte Tilbury foundation is $44. I hope you all liked this video, and I hope you're gonna like the next one. I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.